Hi everyone, in front of me I've got TOSCIDO P101 and let me share with you how to add or remove a Google account in this device. So let's start with opening the settings and then let's scroll down in order to find either accounts or Google section. It's up to you, but I prefer this one, so let me tap on it and then tap on add account. Choose Google. And make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required for this operation. And from this step we can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone, so let me do it. And just a quick disclaimer, you do not have to enter the full email address, just the very first part of it before the @ symbol, because after tapping on next, your device will autofill it, as you can see. Right now we have to enter the password, and let me do this out of the screen. Alright, let's tap on next. Here we've got Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, so of course you can read it, just tap on it, and here you've got the info. Let's tap on I agree after reading. Here we've got the shortcut of backup and storage info, so just tap on accept. And as you can see, we just successfully added our Google account to this device. Of course, if you want to, you can remove it, just tap on it and tap on remove account. Tap on remove account again. And as you can see, your device will immediately delete the account. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.